Using these tips, you can become a DIY pro. What a mess! Try opening the bag of soil this way. Much better. Are you struggling to open a tube of something? Use a peg. Easy. With this tip, your nail polish bottle will be leak-proof. It's leak-proof now. A great travel tip. Just drill a hole in the container to make your life easier. Now the bag fits perfectly. Cut open sauce pots like this. The contents will be easier to distribute evenly. Like this, honey drips everywhere. Try using this tip. A handy DIY dispenser. Jeans too tight? Using this clever tip, you will be able to get them on in a flash. Very smart. Don't complicate your life. Use a piece of spaghetti. You should always spray hairspray on your doormat. By doing this, the dirt won't stick. Do you want pan-popped popcorn? Like this, the kernels pop out all over the place. Much better to use a flour sieve.